Gagne. Judge Curl's card, again your winner, number 82. Second place goes to number 135. Third goes to number 105. Fourth goes to number 256. Fifth place is number 126. Sixth place is 131. And seventh place is number 24. Harley Sensation and Adrian Dubrov. Judge Dean's card, your winner again, number 82. Second place to number 105. Third goes to number 256. Fourth place is number 135. Fifth goes to number 126. Sixth place is number 81. And seventh place scores 131. And now for Judge Finkenbinder's card, again your winner, number 82. Congratulations, circuit champion. What's up with that? And Morgan Sloat, well done. Second place on that card goes to number 105, making a sensation. Third place is number 256, Cardinal Rule. In fourth place we have number 126, Gossip Girl. Fifth goes to number 135, I Want to Be a Cute Dancer. Sixth place is number 81, I'll Be the Hottie. And seventh place is number 131, Sensation.
Well, is it actually called a line?
It fits Brooke well.
Bump him up right there a little bit. Oh, sorry.
Oh, no, you're okay. I got you.
Okay, ride smart, go slow, okay?